The Triumph TR3A works car, registered VRW221, stands as one of the most significant survivors of 1950s British rallying. Built by Standard Triumph for the 1958 International Rally season, it formed part of a four-car factory team prepared specifically for the Monte Carlo Rally. The work squad issued closely sequenced registrations, VRW 219, 220, 221, and 223, each assigned to a two-person crew. VRW 221 went to John Waddington and Mike Wood, an experienced pairing expected to deliver a solid Monte result. Severe winter weather turned that hope into a setback. Delays on the approach to Lyon forced Waddington beyond the permitted schedule, and he was officially excluded from the main rally. However, Monte Carlo rules allowed excluded competitors to continue to the Principality for the final driving tests on the Promenade, a series of precision challenges popular with spectators. VRW 221 proved its worth by taking third place in this standalone competition. The TR3A's season gained momentum in April 1958. Former Jaguar Works and Ecurie Ecosse driver Desmond Titterton, alongside co-driver Brian McAldon, campaigned VRW 221 in the Circuit of Ireland Rally, finishing second overall, just behind Paddy Hopkirk in another triumph. Later that month, Ron Gouldbourne and Stuart Turner drove the car in the Tulip Rally, achieving a class win and 10th overall. The pairing of Titterton and McAldon returned for the Rallye des Alpes, securing 8th overall and 3rd in class. The car's final works appearance came in the Tour de France Automobile, where it ran strongly, 15th overall late in the event, before retiring with brake failure. In 1959, the works team sold VRW 221 to former Triumph driver Ron Gouldbourne. Over the following decades, the car passed through several owners but remained remarkably intact. Its most influential custodian, Martin King, carried out a sympathetic restoration aimed at retaining as many factory components as possible. Between 1996 and 2009, the car spent time in Austria before returning to the United Kingdom, where it re-entered active historic competition. It appeared in events such as the Three Castles Rally, the Rally of the Tests, and in 2019 completed the three-day Kitzbühel Alpenrally. VRW 221 retains its matching numbers engine, rare factory competition hardtop, and overdrive transmission, features seldom found together on surviving works TR3As. Its original apple green paint over brown leather remains a striking period combination. Specialists at Just Historic Cars invested over £10,000 between 2018 and 2020 to ensure it remained rally-ready. Today, the car is widely believed to be the sole surviving Triumph Works entry from the 1958 Monte Carlo Rally. With its fully documented competition record, rare configuration, and exceptional state of preservation, VRW 221 represents one of the most authentic Triumph Works rally cars in existence, an important artifact of mid-century motorsport that continues to captivate both historians and enthusiasts.